that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing, see, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz, no Mercedes in this bitch.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what, y'all? I'm reverting back. Honestly, I am just tired of having my hair straight. I do miss my curls. Now that I have my curls for more than a year, I'm kind of like in the mindset that I don't want to be away from them for too long, if that makes sense. Like, what I'm saying is that I'm more of a curly girl than a straight curly girl, you know what I'm saying? Now I don't find it necessary to have my hair straight for as long as I did when I first was natural. Okay? Anywho, like I said in my last video, guys, which I steam straightened my hair with the Ion Steam Pro straightener, that I will be doing a reverting back to curly just because I did get burned multiple times and I just want to make sure that my hair and my curls are good. So this is that video, just in case you guys missed the last one, which you guys should go and check it out, like, after you see this, and give that video a thumbs up and everything, you know? I'm just saying, just throwing it on out there. So we're at 1,920 subscribers, guys. We are almost there. Like, we're legit almost at 2,000 subscribers. We're almost at that 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And like I said, I will be doing a small giveaway for you guys just to show my gratitude. So keep that in mind that when we do reach 2,000 subscribers, we will be doing that giveaway. Make sure y'all stay tuned and make sure y'all subscribe. If you're new and you're watching, you know what I'm saying? Also, guys, if you are new, please subscribe. Right there, subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the post notifications button so that way you can get notified whenever I upload. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna jump right into the video. Like I said, I am curious, so curious, oh so curious to see how my hair looks once I try to revert it, because I did put a lot of heat on my hair. So without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Alright, so I'm taking my little ratchet looking braids out. These things look like I have slept on them for like years and years at a time without taking them down to brush them, you know what I'm saying? But you know, I'm lazy. That's how it's been for the past few months. I don't really feel like doing my hair like that anymore, so you get what you get, okay? So this is my hair. I did straighten my hair a week after I used the Steam Pro because I did have senior pictures on the 19th, which I will insert a picture here. Y'all, I'm graduating. So I'm graduating in May. It's been a long 4 years, but I'm graduating college with a bachelor's of arts. You know? Alright, so I do have my conditioner. I got it from Target. Now, as you can see, it was on clearance. I got this big bottle for $4.92. It's the 19.5 fluid ounce, so this is a lot, and this is by the brand Organics. Y'all know I love to use their brand. Yeah, basically. And this is the Tea Tree Mint Conditioner, and basically I picked this one because peppermint and tea tree, it does like have those properties in it that kind of like massages your scalp and kind of like gives it that tingly feeling. And to be honest, I like that tingly feeling just so that way I know that my scalp is getting a little bit cleaner as opposed to using a non-tingly or non-peppermint eucalyptus tea tree conditioner. That's just me. I don't know. So now I'm just going to add some water onto it just so that way I can speed up this process, guys. I'm not trying to be sitting here all day. these pieces in the back that I'm worried about, because like, look at this. It's taking forever. Now that they are starting to revert back, and I can see it's gonna take some time, how do you guys feel about Q&A? Or is it too soon? Huh? Let me know down in the comments, or you can message me what you guys think on either Instagram or Snapchat. I will add my socials down below. I'm thinking maybe 25 questions. As you can see, I don't have any heat damage from what I can see. All of my curls are still intact. And to be honest, they are quite shiny right now. Alright guys, so now that we know that I do not have heat damage, I'm just gonna finish up on this side real quick and I will be right back. Look how cute this is. Interesting. It curls on its own, but when I try to curl it, it doesn't do anything. Alright guys, so once again, I look pretty heat damage free actually. To be honest, I feel like a few curls in the back look quite good actually. Like, look at this. Like, there's like curls come together, but look at this. And look at this. Like, they're just all doing that in the back. Like, my curls, they look pretty good in the back. Maybe the steam did do some good to my hair. I don't see any heat damage. I dodged that heat damage again, you know? On that note, I'm gonna end this video right here while my hair looks decent and non-heat damaged. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one.